Pastor, try find out how to the boy before I kill him.
I think I'm gonna need an assistant.
Fiba, then no more money that. Me not have it.
Mr. Watson, you must understand your grandson is possessed by one of the darkest souls to escape hell.
Yes, with demons inside me.
Incubus.
Possess? He gonna possess some big stone in the head if he not happy foolishness.
It's gonna take great faith and belief to have him leave your grandson's vessel.
Nothing to do him. He knows what's on tea.
Papa, Granny said she never like you.
You liar shit. Your granny used to buy with things.
She say your mouth think of your old little.
Silence, demon!
Pastor boy, watch you splash the water in the ear. A girl alone if I make with batty boy.
Silence! Cause I need a clear thing I say if I don't bust your shit, boy.
God fuck your mother.
In the name of the Father and the Holy Ghost, I command you to leave this young man's vessel. Get out, Satan, and return to the pits of hell.
Leave him alone. It look like me and him there. Pastor boy, you better use the holy water to go wash your mother dirty pussy.